Hey, welcome to Market Monday. Hope everybody's having a good day. My kids are out of school, so we're at the lake. Um, I've done some videos on just in general tips or knowledge stuff about real estate and real estate market specifically in Northeast Louisiana. Today, I'd like to talk about the market in Northeast Louisiana just for a moment because in August we had for the first time in over a year more listings come on the market than we've had than 2019. So compared to 2020 and 2019, we finally had more listings come on the market in August than we did previously. So that's a great for for the market. We've needed that. There's been a lot of just need for more listings. There's need for housing, houses coming on, selling. So that's a good thing. But let's just look at it just for a second. What does that mean for potential buyers and sellers? So in May and June of 2020. Um, we were coming out of our quarantine time, and our governor had, um, you know, drawn back some of the restrictions, and so we saw a burst of houses come on the market. And for those 2 months, um, listings were above what they were the previous year, just for those 2 months. But since then, we have been below. While sales have been steady or above what they were in 2019, listings have been at or below what they were in 2019. So we haven't had enough inventory on the market to compensate for the need. And so we've had this buying frenzy, and most of us that are in real estate, or if you kept up, have been a part of, about this craziness that's been in the market. It's been nationwide. It hasn't been specific to Northeast Louisiana in any way. But we have, in the last few months, as I've talked to other real estate agents and seen what's going on in the market, we've kind of felt things turning a little bit. And in August, we saw numbers to go with that, in that we now have more listings than we did 2 years ago in 2019 before the world broke. So, what does that mean? Um, there's a couple of things going on this week. The feds have said that they're going to make an announcement about how much they're going to buy back in the real estate market, all this debt that they're going to be willing to buy. So our our interest rates are going to start showing a reaction to that. They already did just a little bit. And if they do make this announcement before the end of the year, we'll see a steady rise in interest rates to go along with that. That's just going to be the way it is. Um, but that, coupled with more inventory, may mean that we see a few more buyers. That's yet to be determined. It may mean that we just see a leveling out of prices and the buying frenzy that's come along. But that's some things yet to be determined. But if you're looking to buy, it does mean that you probably have more options now than you've had in over a year. And so it's really a great time to buy, actually. Um, Interest rates are still down considerably compared to what they have been in historically. It's great numbers, and with a rise in inventory, gives you a little bit of option there. So if you've been on the fence about getting into the market, buying or selling, it might be something to consider. What are interest rates going to do? What's that going to do to the market in 3 to 6 months? And inventory wise, now it may be a great time for somebody to get in, get the house that you want, at still that lower interest rate. So call your lender, call your real estate agent, and let's see if we can help you get started. Hope everybody's having a great Monday. We'll see you later.